Lightbulb Moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare a PowerPoint presentation and record yourself as you speak through that particular presentation. One of the places where you would need to share a recorded PowerPoint presentation is, for example, if you need to send a presentation in absentia to maybe your colleagues, or if you're required to share a recorded PowerPoint presentation to a conference, or submit a recorded presentation for a particular assignment if you're a student, or if you're required to present your thesis or your dissertation online, and you're required to send in a recorded presentation prior to the live meeting with your supervisors or the members of the panel who are going to listen in on your defense. So let's dive in. So you open your PowerPoint application and you double click on blank presentation so that you can be able to load a fresh or a new PowerPoint page. So it's going to open the first slide, which is an empty slide, and you can begin to add content. For example, I can say that the topic of this PowerPoint presentation is how to record a PPT, and I can go ahead and add details presented by light bulb moment KE. So you can add images to this particular window. Um, for you to add a new slide, you hover on top of the last slide and then you right click on it and then you say new slide. Alternatively, you can go to insert on this top navigation bar and you click new slide. It's going to ask you, if you click on this down arrow, it's going to ask you to select the type of layout you want. Otherwise, if you just double click, it's just going to add as many slides as you want, depending on the number of clicks that you hit on this particular button. So to add a new title, here again, this is title 2. Then I can add my content here on how to record. Can even opt to add an image if I want, etc. Then I go to the second slide, can call it title 3. I might decide to add a chart to it, so I click on the chart bar. I say I want to add a pie chart. I say okay, and then it will require me to enter the data for that particular pie chart so that it is able to load um, the look and feel of it. Click on top of the last new slide. If I want to change the look and feel or the layout, I go to under layout, I select any, whichever I want. If I want to add text here, I'll add. If I want to add an image here or a video file or whatever I want to add on this particular, if I want to add a smart art, I can select the look and feel of the smart art and add text here to it. Sorry about that. Text 1, text 2. Then I go, if I don't want to add anything else, I can just delete that. Call this title 4. And yeah, that's it. So let us save our PowerPoint to just ensure that it is saved somewhere. Can browse wherever I want to save it. So you select the location. So I'm gonna save this under my documents. So save. Okay. Now that you've prepared your PowerPoint presentation and you're ready to record it, you click on Slideshow and then you select, or rather you click on Record Slideshow. So it's gonna open the record window. So when you click on Record Slideshow, this is what opens up. You can see there's a pause button. stop button, play button, and other buttons. So right now it's recording me speaking through this particular first slide, how to record a PPT. You can see it says recording in progress. And down here it shows I'm only recording audio because the video is turned, the camera is turned off. So you speak through your presentation, you go next, say whatever you want to say on that particular slide, you go to the next slide, say whatever you want to say, go to the next slide, and to the next slide, and to the next slide until you complete. So down here you will see that it has indeed recorded an audio on each particular page. It shows there's an additional audio file attached to each slide. So this is a recording that we created, and it's in a video file, so I can play it. Opens up, you can see there's a pause button, stop. Let me forward it a bit. Stop button, play button, video is turned, the camera is turned off. So you speak whatever you want to say on that particular slide, go to the next slide, say whatever you want to say. So your video is ready for sharing. And that's it from me. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.